Our Nest support team is surrounded and under fire. Find our allies and escort them to safety.
The Nest vehicles are trapped in the canals. Find them. You've got company.
You're taking damage. Target neutralized. Decepticon wounded. He's looking shaky.
Now burn rubber. The Nest team needs you. Nest team located. You found them.
Autobot, we're looking right at you. We'll head out once you clear the area.
Comes trouble.
Decepticon hit. Don't let up.
Thanks for the escort.
Decepticon hit. Don't let up.
Boxed in. You'll have to clear our path. We're rolling. Stay close. It's a trick. They're Decepticons.
You thought this would be easy. Decepticon wounded. Crap them.
We're getting close. The exit is just ahead.
Guard those trucks.
Decepticon hit. Don't let up. Watch the back.
Apple, look out!
Taking damage. Incredible. Decepticon wounded. Bet you thought this would be easy. Those Decepticons out. Engage. Decepticon hit. Don't
Thanks for the escort.
Really? Is that all you got?
Moving out. Thanks for the escort. We're nearly there.
Ambush! Look out!
escort, Autobots!
Happy to help, Major. Get home safe.
The Nest team has returned to base. All hands accounted for.
Our enemies weaken. Without the Allspark fragment or petroleum, the Decepticons are about to run out of power.
Somehow, I doubt it will be that easy.
I am afraid we are losing focus during combat. Too many secondary goals are being ignored.
My thoughts exactly. We need to take every opportunity we can to hurt the enemy.
Autobots, our efforts to find and stop the growing Decepticon threat have been successful so far. But this conflict is far from over.